you a little bit of how all of this happened with us. You know, Mihana was inherited all of her music and her knowledge from her mother, Auntie Irmgard, and we are cousins. Darlene, actually for myself, Karen hired me to play in her shows over at the Pacific Beach Hotel about 3 years ago. And, all right, 20 years ago.
I was going to say.
But in the meantime, coming from Hilo, Darlene joined my group in Hilo, and then I left Hilo and came to Honolulu and began playing music with Karen. So that's how we all ended up someplace sometime together.
And then Zach was standing on the street corner. He was standing on the street corner with the steel guitar, said, looking for work. So we said, come on, brother. Jump on the back. But we want to thank the working and steering committee, and I must say, I don't know all of them, I only know one. My daughter Tracy has been working with all of you folks to make this event spectacular. Thank you very much for inviting us. Mihana Souza, Miss Darlene Ahuna, all the way from Hilo, Miss Kumukahi.
Excuse me,
White male.
She moved from Hilo to White.
And brother Zachary Lum from Kamehameha schools.
And Karen Keawehawaii, everybody. We leave you with this one final thought. As I traveled from place to place, some familiar and some strange, to hear the ancient chanting of our home. As we listen to the stories, our eyes have seen the glory. So let us raise our voice in song to save our land. All Hawai'i stand together. It's now and forever. Raise your voices, hold your banner high. We shall stand as a nation by the destiny of our generation. Sing and praise the glory of our land. When the stone walls of the city of refuge, we learn the sacred ways. Upon Waipi'o's valley floor, ancient battles rage. From the barren slopes of Kaho'olawe to the shores of Kahana Bay, we shall claim our land from the barking sands to the valley of Hanalei. Hawai'i loa, ku'iki kako, kupa'ame kalokahie, kukalame, kakibole. Oni pa'akako, alana kila na kinie, eola na kinie. From the fiery pit of Tutu at Ku'uipo, Kumukahi.